Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to for making tech easy and helpful. If you are struggling with algebra, calculus, or even statistics, I've got awesome news for you. There is a free app called Microsoft Math Solver that can seriously save your grades. Just snap a photo of your math problem and boom, the app solves it for you. And the best part, it walks you through the step-by-step solution, even if your handwriting isn't exactly textbook perfect. Yep, it works with handwritten problems too. The app is available for both iOS and Android. Just search Math Solver in your App Store and install it. If you cannot find it there, you can install it via Chrome or any browser you prefer. Got it? Great, let's dive in. Now let us say you are stuck on a linear equation and have no clue on how to solve for x. Just open the app. Take a quick photo of the problem or from your gallery, and it instantly processes and solves it. You can tap View Solution Steps to see each step clearly explained, like having a personal math tutor in your pocket. Scroll down a bit, and the app gives you similar problems to practice on. Plus, recommended learning materials like video tutorials, worksheets, and other helpful content from around the web. It is loaded with ways to keep improving. One of the coolest features, it recognizes handwritten equations too. So if your teacher scribbled something on paper, no worries, snap a pic, and the app uses ink recognition to turn it into a neat, solvable equation right away. Prefer writing things out yourself? You can do that too. Use the draw option in the app to sketch your math problem. Made a mistake? No problem. There is an eraser tool and you can quickly fix it before hitting the arrow button to solve. You can also type out your equations using the built-in math keyboard. And here's a hidden gem. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the corner to access example problems you can try out. It even supports natural language input, so you can type something like, "What is the derivative of x squared?" and it will solve it. To keep your brain sharp, the app also offers daily quizzes and tracks your weekly progress. A fun way to stay motivated and practice regularly. Honestly, I wish this existed back when I was in school. It would have saved me and my parents from a lot of stress. And just like that, solving math problems has never been easier. With Microsoft Math Solver, you are now in control. No more stress, confusion, or staring blankly at your homework. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more wireless solutions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you into the next one. Bye for now.